how to buy diamond in BIGO Live. So for that, first of all, open a BIGO Live application in your mobile device. If you don't have that, install it from Google Play Store. After that, log into your account. Once you're logged in, you will land on home page. From there, tap on the Me icon from the bottom right corner. After that, you will get to your profile page. Now, from this profile page, if you scroll down a bit, there you'll have a wallet option. Tap on wallet. Then you will get to diamond section. Now to buy a diamond, there you will get the number of diamond that you can buy with its price range. For example, here I can buy 40 diamonds with USD 1.21, and similar with that, 284 diamonds with USD 8.39 and 815 diamond with 23.66 USD. Now you can choose the one that you prefer. After that, you have to add a payment method. You can add credit or debit card. So enter your debit or credit card by providing all the information, and after that you have to confirm your Google account, and then you will be able to buy diamonds in BIGO Live. So that's all for today's video. Hope this video helps you. If you are new to our channel, make sure to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I will see you on next video.